Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisvi Sya'uban Oktapia from the Communication Sesi program. Here, I will review the OMG brand lip matte products. Without lingering long, let's get started. So, here are the products. I have two sets. This one is coffee edition. It's a number 13 latte. And this one is number 12 Scarlet. Okay, why is this OMG product so interesting to buy? Number 1, attractive packaging. OMG lip matte comes with a stylish and attractive packaging. The elegant and practical bottle make it easier for you to apply this product with precision. Number 2, animal friendly. If you care about sustainability and animal protection, you will be happy to know that OMG lip matte products are produced without testing to animals, so you can use these products with relief. Number 3, affordable prices. Despite their high quality, OMG lip matte products are offered at affordable prices. This allows you to get quality products without breaking the bank. And what are the advantages of OMG lip matte products compared to other lip matte products? OMG lip matte offers a high-quality formula specially designed to give a perfect matte finish. This formula not only provides intense and long-lasting color, but also provides a light and comfortable feel on the lips, like this one. And color is so cute. This product comes in a variety of attractive color choices that suit a variety of preferences and looks. From natural nude to bold bolds, you can find the perfect sets for every occasion. OMG lip matte has good staying power on the lips. Once applied, the color lasts a long time without fading or smudging, so you don't have to worry about reapplying it frequently. Transfer proof. This product is designed to be non-transferable, meaning once applied and dried, the lip matte won't leave marks on glasses or other people when you kiss or drink. Transfer proof. So, if you are looking for a quality lip matte with a variety of attractive color, long-lasting, and affordable price, OMG lip matte products are the right choice. Okay, those are all the reasons why OMG lip matte products are so interesting to buy, and what are the advantages compared to other lip matte products. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.